Hey, wake up!
What?
What are you doing?
We're sleeping.
Oh my goodness.
So many.
Yeah, girl.
We got the dinosaur. We got the puppy. We got the bear. Yeah. Dinosaur. Roar.
Roar! Alright guys, so today we're doing another 3 marker challenge
And
with
guys,
our stuffed
we
animals.
are the unicorn team. And I'm the princess of the unicorns.
And I'm a unicorn too.
I'm sleeping and Jason.
All right, so what are we doing? Who's picking first?
Me.
All right, blindfold on.
Jason.
Jason, who's going first?
Jason?
Me.
Wait,
First, we gotta
I'm
take our
confused.
animals out. Oh.
Should we get these animals out?
All right, let's get the animals out.
Here we go. And just like that, they are out.
Woo! Let's get close up.
Got this cute little teddy bear, guys.
Got this
Ooh, and then Trin's got Peppy.
It's even got a car. It's got a heart on the back of its forehead.
Cute. And then Madison has got this dinosaur. Hey,
Biggest one of all.
what does dinosaur say?
Roar!
All right, who's going first?
Jason!
Let's let Madison go first, because she's
Maybe little
the
to big.
cutest.
Yeah. Okay, Madison. 3 colors, no peeking. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! I like those. We got purple, gray, and blue. All right, get to work, girl.
Daddy.
Get started.
Me?
You gonna let Jason go? All right, mix them up, Trin. Oh, she's
Ready?
mixing them up. No, she's not ready yet. She's dropping markers. Put it in there.
Do
Put
I
it
need
in
that
there.
one?
No!
Oh, she doesn't want you to have that one. Okay. Okay.
No, I'm not ready yet.
Wait. Put your markers in. Not upside down. Okay. Ready?
Find the record.
All right. Let's drop them right there. Here we go. 1, 2. Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, those are pretty good.
Those are pretty good.
Yeah, I'm pretty.
And pretty. All right, Trin.
My puppy wants to pick for me.
Do you need like a brown for the puppy? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna mix them up so now you know where they're at.
Puppy wants to do it.
Here we go. Okay, 1, 2. Come on, girl. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
We all,
I swear you guys all got similar colors.
that's pretty cool.
Look, Trin's got a blue and purple.
I have purple too.
She has a blue and purple, and Jason's got a blue and pink.
And a green.
Oh, and a green. See, look at that.
No, it's kind of teal color.
Oh,
Teal.
teal, my bad. All right,
These are good colors.
they are good colors. Let's see you work your magic on that puppy. Ooh, Madison over here.
I'm doing polka dots purple.
You're doing purple polka dots? Are you gonna do all the polka dots purple? We're gonna do different colors.
Different colors.
Ooh, is it gonna be a surprise?
Yeah.
Woohoo!
it'd be good. I gotta do 3 of the
What?
It would be good if she had green. She could do Barney.
You don't even know who
Do
Barney
you even know who
is.
Barney is?
Barney.
What color is Barney?
Green and purple.
He's a purple dinosaur, huh? Did you know that, Madison? Uh-huh.
Ah, we're annoying marker. This kid looks so funny. I'm doing a double side, guys.
Are you gonna do two-tone?
Yeah.
So that side's gray. What's the other side gonna be? Blue. Dun dun dun.
You're doing great, Jason. It looks so cute.
Cute.
Thanks. Look, I colored all the hearts pink.
Ooh, all pink hearts.
Isn't that cute?
Look at
pink
that
ears?
double side.
Ooh.
Drawing
Jason's
a
has
blue
lots of
heart.
detail. Oh, that heart that's up there on the top of its back of its head. Yeah, girl. Ooh, all right, Madison's two-tone polka dot over here.
Two-tone.
Two-tone.
Oh,
All right, what's Trin working on over here?
I got a little mess up.
What'd you do here?
Mess ups.
But what'd you do? Did you mix colors? Oh yeah, look at that, blue and green. Is that pretty heart?
Tell Jason that I used 4 colors.
What?
Tell him.
All right, and Jason's coloring the blue vest. Is your teddy bear wearing a vest?
Yep.
Oh man.
Mine's turning out so
Ooh,
cool.
that looks so pretty. I see it.
This one has small.
Look at all this polka.
Get away! No!
Where do we marker?
That.
One more polka dot. Oh no, where do we markers? There you go. Madison, that is a cute looking dinosaur. And then you just got some stripes down there on its legs.
And I'm done with all the polka dots.
Wow.
Oh,
Did you miss another one?
huh?
Look at that dinosaur, it's so cute.
All of this.
Whoa, look at all of that. Okay, now you gotta color the stripes down here.
Huh?
Okay. Choose your colors wisely, girl.
So I'm gonna put this down and use some pepper for
He's
Daddy.
almost done with his teddy bear.
Guys, look at the vest. It's like blue, like a night sky with the shining stars.
Yeah, I like that. How's it going, Trin?
Good.
Good. She's concentrating good over here. And she is working very hard to stay in the lines. Excellent job, girl. Okay, Madison, what'd you do? Purple eyes. What'd you finish up, Trin?
The color.
Oh, look at this.
So far, it's turning out good.
It looks great. You just got some polka dots and spots, huh? All right.
Now I'm gonna
Oh,
color
no.
all the way through.
Did we get color on it?
I can.
Whoops.
I'm gonna go all the way through.
Everybody's working hard over here.
I'm going all the way through, guys.
You're doing all the way through. Are you coloring in the rest of it?
Then I'm gonna finish these.
You are gonna have a super colorful dinosaur, girl.
So cool.
Now, so what kind of a dinosaur is that? I bet Sissy knows. Trin, do you know what kind of dinosaur she has?
Brachiosaurus.
Is it a Brachiosaurus? Let me see it, Madison.
It's a T-Rex.
It's not a T-Rex.
It's not a T-Rex at all. But I'm not gonna wash mine.
All right, Madison, what kind of mess we got going on over here? Let me see your hands.
Look at that.
Whoa.
Now look at this hand.
That hand's clean. This hand.
Wait.
Let me see your other hand. Other hand. That one's clean. What about this hand? Ah, not so clean. How about your hands, Trin? Oh, just got a little green on the finger there. Jason's got some blue.
My blue.
Yeah, you gotta be careful when you're coloring these, huh?
What's so different?
Because even if you don't color on your hands, they get
My
on
blue is
your
dark.
little eye, and then when you touch it, it all comes
And it
off
just
on your
rubs onto your
fingers.
fingers.
That's why I'm not trying to touch mine.
Getting close, getting close.
I'm almost done, guys.
Madison, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
I'm almost done.
Madison, I feel like you should just color the polka dots gray, because now some of your polka dots are in different colors. Looks super cute though.
Give them a big ol' smile.
Oh, cute.
I want to see.
I like it.
That's yours. That is not cool at all.
It's like a circus bear.
Circus fur.
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, looks like Jason's done.
I'm almost done.
Madison's almost done with her purple dinosaur.
I'm barely done.
And Trin over here is slow poking it. It looks super cute with all the polka dots.
I'm doing stripes
Green
on his
and blue
tail.
and purple polka dots.
Looks really cute.
And teal. This used to be teals.
Whoa, where's all the blue?
I don't know, she used one blue.
Ooh, that big blue
Two-tone
spot.
dot.
I'm done!
Are you done?
Yeah.
Whoa.
More.
Hey.
Look at this.
Yeah, look at that mess. Let me see your hands.
Oh,
Whoa.
look at my mess.
Whoa. Oh, and then Jason made a mess on the table. Trin so far hasn't made a mess on the table. That's super cute. That's super cute.
I just gotta color the others.
All
Okay, and
right.
I'm gonna make some details.
Oh, you're gonna
some
make
gray.
detail, huh?
Ah,
All right, Trin. You about done, girl?
You're coloring a peanut.
Peanut.
Coloring a
done.
peanut.
Are you done now?
One more.
One more
Trin, I see
spot.
some underneath
Oh,
her.
yes.
Trin, you're almost done. I see some underneath her. Yeah, I won't color this.
All right. Are you finished?
Yep.
Awesome. Okay, let's see everybody's stuffed animal plushie. Okay, so we got Jason, who finished first. Look at that cute smile. And then we got Madison, Let me see it, girl. Hold it up for me. Purple dinosaur.
Woo!
With one spot of blue. Hold it still, girl. I can't see it. Uh-oh. See, you gotta be careful. If they're not dry yet, you're gonna rub the color off. See that? Did you see that right there?
Oh.
Oh, man. All right, and then Trin's cute puppy. Look at that.
Look at the other side of the tail.
I like it. All right, guys. Comment down below. Whose do you think is better? Madison's dinosaur, Jason's teddy bear, or Trin's puppy?
Tell us down below.
Roar! Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later.
Bye!
Bye.